For connectivity inside a control panel, Lutze have identified a selection of cables and connectors to aid with your connection from the field into and around the cabinet. The first kit contains a DIN rail mount connector with IDC terminals, insulation displacement connection, connecting 4 and 2 twisted pair cables for industrial Ethernet externally from the field into the cabinet. This then converts an industrial cable into standard SFTP Cat5e patch cables, which can be connected into a 22mm panel connector for programming and to distribute industrial Ethernet to other devices.